Hi guys, it's Michael here from CT Floors, division of CT Industries. It is 7:30 Sunday evening and we're in a shop in the PAK shopping centre in Sandton. It's this prestigious new shopping centre that they built recently. And we're here to cast a floor that urgently needed to be done. So yesterday we brought our team in, we prepped this floor, had our grinders on here, cleaned the place up. It was full of everything that you can imagine not being right, and we pretty much did all the concrete repair yesterday. Got the floor perfectly clean, did our primers, our first coats of primers, and now we've done the second coats and we've done all that stuff, so the floor is perfect. We're going to be doing a self-leveling decorative screed onto this floor that we're going to install tonight, and then tomorrow afternoon we'll be sealing the floor, and by Tuesday morning the client will have their floor and their shop, and they can start moving their stuff in so that they can open the day after that. So it's a pretty fast track project. We've got the perfect products for that, we've got the perfect team for that, we've got all the knowledge for that. We have installed thousands and thousands of square meters of these products for huge iconic projects over South Africa, and yeah, we're pretty jacked. Not that we will easily do a Sunday night pour for anybody, but this was a pretty special client and a pretty special project. So yeah, there we go. The place is nicely prepped and all is ready to go. Like us, subscribe, see what the finished product looks like. Like it. Cheers.